Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. Today we're going to explore the Keystone State, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
Hey guys, so we just finished spending the afternoon over at Annapolis, Maryland. We had such a fun time there. We were at the harbor, we had some delicious lobster rolls, and then got some souvenirs over there. Now we're heading over to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania to visit their state capital, which is only a couple hours away. So we're looking forward to that.
Okay, welcome to Pennsylvania, okay?
Yes, let me just, okay, ready? How about the Clementine Thunder?
Here guys.
Oh, Thunder only then, yes.
Clementine, come here, you want to join?
Yeah.
Come here. Here.
How about you sit in the middle there, yeah?
Come here. Right there. The edge.
It's cold.
The more you stay, the more you're... Well, let's do it.
Pennsylvania.
Okay, right? Okay, say hi, Clementine. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Again.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to Pennsylvania. Harrisburg got its name from John Harris Jr., who founded the city in 1791. But before that, this city was named after a French king, which is King Louis XVI. The old name of Harrisburg was Louisburg.
Harrisburg is the capital of the U.S. state of Pennsylvania, where it lies on the Susquehanna River. Many people in Harrisburg work for the government, and the economy also depends on the transportation and manufacturing.
Hey guys, so right now we are here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We're here in their capital, state capital. Built and furnished at a cost of $13 million, the Capitol features paintings, stained glass, and furnishings by some of the best artisans of the day. When President Theodore Roosevelt attended the dedication of the building, he said, "This is the handsomest building I ever saw." The Capitol's centerpiece is a spectacular 272-foot, 52 million pound dome inspired by Michelangelo's design for St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. Yeah, this is Pennsylvania, Thunder. During the American Civil War, Harrisburg was a significant training center for the Union Army, with tens of thousands of troops passing through Camp Curtin. It was also a major rail center and a vital link between the Atlantic coast and the Midwest, with several railroads running through the city and over the Susquehanna River. How about let's cross the street first? Let's cross the street. Thunder, wait. Okay, hold my hand. I'm gonna buy a toy.
Yay!
Not you, for me.
What?
Daddy needs a toy.
I'll buy that a toy.
You have money?
I don't have to. Use your cat card.
Oh! No!
Yeah. I'll use your cat card now.
Credit card needs money too.
Use your cat card. You have to walk it. Look, Daddy! Look!
It's a church. It's a nice church.
Something's there.
Uh-huh.
I saw that kite.
Harrisburg is a historic city with a vibrant art scene, outdoor adventures, and a stunning riverfront. It's a must-visit for history buffs and nature lovers alike.
Did you vlog it already, Mamsi?
I'm gonna vlog towards the end.
There's more here.
That's just the not the alley. Can you hold yours? Can you hold it? Throw the garbage.
Hey guys, so right now we are walking in the streets of Harrisburg, trying to explore the neighborhood. It's a small city, but they have a lot of nice architecture. Look at their church right there. I like this church, the one with the huge dome, a big dome. Oh, it's called St. Patrick's Cathedral.
That's a people. That's a lot of people. St. Patrick's Cathedral.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, let's go across the street. Let's find souvenirs. Wants to eat ice cream. Okay. Hold the kids and see. Come here, Clementine. Hold my hand, Clementine. Hold my hand. Let's go across the street. Okay. Okay, wait, Clementine. Wait, Clementine. Release, release. Clementine, release. Ah, Clementine's like.
Didn't let go.
Yeah.
I smell it.
So we're going to the. I think there's a river here, and we're gonna try to see, and try to explore this part. The houses here are nice.
There's a water.
A lot of church too.
Daddy, there's water.
Yeah, there's a water.
Remember the fish swimming there?
Is this a house? Look at this house, see?
What's that?
It's a house.
Where's the house?
It's for sale, Monsi.
What's sale, Daddy? What's sale for?
Sale is for selling. You're selling the property. Right? Let's go, hold my hand so that we can cross the street. Hold my hand, Thunder. Clementine, you wanna hold my hand?
Yeah.
Hi, Momsi. Look.
Hi, Popsy. It's cold here.
Hold my hand, Thunder.
I had to go in the car, Daddy.
We'll go to the car now.
I'm tired.
You're tired, right?
It smells something.
Smells good. Makes you hungry. Thunder, you want to say hi
Yeah.
to the state capital?
Hi, this is the state. Hello.
State capital, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
Poopa!